We'll do a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem which is b.goodkid. So here you can see Selvig is preparing a present for a friend's birthday. He has an array of n digits and the present will be the product of all these digits because Selvig is a good kid who wants to make the biggest product possible. He wants to do add 1 to exactly one of his digits. What is the maximum product Selvig can make? The first line contains a single integer, the number of test cases. The first line of each test case contains a single integer n, the number of digits. The second line of each test case contains n spaces separated by separated integers. The digits in the array output for each test case output a single integer. The maximum product Selvig can make by adding 1 to exactly one of his digits. So in the example you can see, first of all we have to take a number and then the same amount of test case here, and then here you can see first line a number and then the array 2 2 1 2. So what can he wants to do? He have to add 1 with the minimum value of the array. So here minimum value is 1. If we add 1 and then the value is 2, and then he have to multiply those numbers, and then if we multiply those numbers then output is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So how can we do this? First of all we have to sort the array first. So after sorting this array we get 1 2 2 2. So then we add one first element of the array. So we know how can we get first element. So we write array of 0 plus 1 and then we multiply it by our array. So we have to go to our replit. So here we already have a scanner class and all packages we need here. So we write input java.util.star. So then we have to take a input from our user. So we have to write int is equal to sc.nextInt. So here we write int is equal to sc.nextInt, and then we have to write while loop. So we write while t minus minus is greater than 0, and then we have to take another integer from our user. So we write int n is equal to sc.nextInt. So here we declare an array. So we write int array is equal to new int. So we write new int and then we have to run a for loop. So we write for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and then we take input. We take a input array from our user. So we write array of I is equal to sc.nextInt. sc.nextInt. Then we have to sort our array. So we sort this array by here we have to write the I plus plus. So then we have to sort this array. So we write arrays dot sort. Into the bracket we write the name of array. So we write arr, and then we have to take another variable which data should be integer. So we write int mul is equal to array of 0 plus 1, array of 0 plus 1. It means we add 1 into our first element of the array. Then we have to run another loop which is for loop. So here we write int. So here we take another variable which is I and which data should be integer type. Here we start from the value of I from 1 because we want to remove the 0th or the first element of the array. So we write int I is equal to, we start I value from 1 and then I is less than I, and I value will be increased by 1. So we write I plus and then we write mul. The value of will be multiplied by array of I. So we write array of the value, the element of all elements from array. So we write mul into array of I, and then we write system.out.println, and into the bracket we write mul or multiplication system.out.println, and then we run our code. Before that we copy our input from our question. So we copy from here, and then we have to go to our code and run our code and paste our code here to check if the code works accurately or not. So we run our program first, our code, and we click into the run, and then here we paste our example input. So we have to wait a few seconds. So here system.out.println. So here is our PRI println, and then again we press into the run button and paste our input here, and then you can see answer is same 162432 and 430467210. So then we have to copy our code and go to our we have to copy this and go to our question, and then go to our question, and then we have to go to submit code. So we press into the submit code button, and then choose problem is second problem good kid, and then here we paste our code, and after that we press into the submit button. We have to wait for a few seconds. So it take some time. So I submit it into another account. So I go to another account. So I write so here you can see I already submit this problem another few days ago. So here you can see this answer is about same. So hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.